Good morning. I found this. If you're looking for a way to fix your books on Amazon KDP after they are going back to the draft state and saying that, like this video will be for people that's saying that your cover page don't match your book size. I found this way. I've been going back and forth trying to figure out a way to fix these books. And this is what I found. And I wanted to share this with you all. Instead of continuing to just go back and do book covers that's not working, I found this way. Instead of uploading it right here, I go here and launch the creator, getting a picture from my computer. I have a file on my computer that have all of these pictures on it, and this is this book. So I'm going to upload it like that. Excuse how long it takes my computer to kind of load up. I'm not going to go through the full process. I just wanted to basically show that step right there. Instead of uploading it as a PDF, I went back to Canva and I downloaded it as a PNG file and re-uploaded it to Amazon KDP as a PNG file. And it's going to bring me to this screen right here. Now, once it load in and everything, it'll bring you to a page that look like this, and you can just choose which one you want. And I always like for it to cover the whole page. So more than likely, I always choose an option that's going to cover the full page, and you can just kind of everything that you want to do with it, leave that blank, and that's basically it. Preview it. Save and submit. That looks fine to me. Want to save it and submit it. Come back. I want it with the bleed. Everything is right here. The file is processing. And now you look through and make sure that everything is looking the way you want it to look. Approve it. And republish it. And that is it. And just wait a few days to see is it you know, going to go through. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.